Hi Rebels, so I'm jumping right into the tutorial. The hair I'll be using today is from Klaiyi hair. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is what their packaging looks like and what you will receive with your wig if you order from them. The wig they sent me is their 24-inch Kinky curly 13x4 frontal wig. This wig is 150% density, and as you can see, the curl pattern is beautiful. I went ahead and bleached the knots and washed the wig off camera, and now this is what it looks like afterwards. I'm telling y'all, the curl pattern is perfect. I mean, we about to have warm weather, so it's literally perfect for the warm weather. I'm gonna go ahead and take my tweezers and just pluck the front. This is not a detailed video on how I pluck my frontals. I do have videos on that, so if you guys are interested, then I will link them down below. But guys, yeah, I just went ahead and customized the frontal before getting started. Now that my wig is all customized, I'm gonna go ahead and do my bald cap method. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead with my lace tint spray, and I'm just gonna spray the cap with that. The glue that I'm using today is my Ghost Bond lace glue. So I'm just gonna put that around the perimeter of my head, and then we're gonna install the wig. Alright guys, now it's time to install our wig. Now that our glue has dried enough, we're gonna go ahead and install the wig. But before we do that, cut off the lace from the back of the wig, and as always, connect those two straps in the back to make sure that the wig fits perfectly, and then go ahead and put her on. Before I move forward, I am cutting around the ear tab just so that the wig can fit nicely and securely around my ear, and I can, you know, lay it the way I want it to lay. I'm not going to cut the lace all the way off, but it's kind of irritating how it's laying on my lashes. So I usually just cut the lace back just a little bit so that I can maneuver better. So that's what I'm doing now. I do see that around my hairline is still a little dense. It's kind of still full, so I'm just plucking out a little bit of hairs until I get my desired look. I really like the lace on this wig. I like how the lace is looking so far. So I'm going to go ahead and clip my hair back and tie my elastic band around my edges just to make sure that that lace melts in before I cut it. I gave it about 10 minutes, and then I took the elastic band off and went ahead and cut that lace all the way back. I don't know about y'all, but I absolutely love the way this lace is laying on my head. It looks really, really good. Next step is to get the baby hairs together, the edges, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And once we're done with that, we're just gonna go ahead and put our elastic band right back on to make sure that the edges, the baby hair that we just did, just, you know, melts in and stays in place. Now that the hard part is over, I'm just gonna go ahead and wet the hair. Me personally, when I wear hair like this, I love to keep it in that wet, juicy, curly state. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna wet the hair completely and then comb through it to get all the kinks out. To ensure that my curls stay nice and wet looking and juicy looking, I'm using my mousse from the Olive Oil brand, and I'm just going to add that all over the hair. I am extremely satisfied with how the hair is looking. This is exactly how I like my curly hair to look when I wear it. If I would have did anything differently, I definitely would have asked them for a longer length, just because when I wear hair like this, I like for it to be a little bit longer. But guys, this is so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and take a silk scarf and just tie the top of my hair down for a few minutes, just to make sure that the top part of my wig is nice and flat. So once I come back, I'll be all done. All right, guys, I'm all done. I'm gonna go ahead and take my silk scarf off, and now you can see how flat the top of my hair is. It is laying perfectly. It's nice and melted in, and the curls look super, super juicy. I just hope that throughout the day, my curls stay like this and the hair doesn't start to get like super poofy. But other than that, guys, I pretty much love how the hair came out. Shout out to Klaiyi Hair once again for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in this wig or any other wigs from their company, all their details will be in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me some feedback down below. Give me a like if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Smooches.